Mumbai is now going to see a massive jump in the time that it takes to get to Thane, with a 21-kilometer long bridge being constructed across the Thane Creek. Here's a ground report.
Today we bring you an exclusive sneak peek into this massive infrastructure project. A project that will make conveyance between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai a completely different experience. It'll transform the entire region. It'll be an engine of development. And as the project takes shape, joining me now is Mr. SBR Srinivas, MMRDA Commissioner, who's trying very hard to speed up the project even more. So people have been thinking, talking, envisaging, planning 35 years. Finally, this road across the sea, 21 kilometers, taking shape. What are the challenges now that it's in this advanced stage of construction?
Thank you, Saurav. And first, let me tell you one thing. It is the longest seam bridge in Indian history, connecting Mumbai to rest of MMR. And it is costing nearly about 18,000 crores. So that is the size we are looking at. And this has been, as you said, more than 35 years in the offing. Now the challenges are manifold. One is rehabilitation of several project affected persons, which we are doing. In fact, next 10 days or so we are going to rehabilitate another 80 families, even at this stage. Second is environmental clearances were a big challenge. In fact, about 10 days back we got a new environmental clearance for the kerosene jetty in the Mumbai side, about 10 days back. So clearances are an issue, but that have been sorted out now with the help of the state government, with the environment minister pitching in. It has been sorted out. And the challenges are most important are the construction challenges, because this size and scale, it has never been done in Indian history, Indian construction history. So the construction challenges are many, and certain new things we are trying to introduce here. So that is another thing I will be able to tell you if you are interested. Yeah.
Right now, to reach that space, it takes 2.5 hours minimum on a good day of traffic.
Yes, if you are lucky.
If I'm lucky. With this bridge, how long?
About 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. Yeah, 15 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
Yes, maximum. Originally, this was supposed to be a metro also on this, but somehow that was not done. But the construction has started. If you have a metro, a transit system on a project of this scale, the benefits will be 4x to 10x. A common man can also use it, not only car owners. At the same time, metro is very important. So we are examining the technical feasibility, because the foundations are already done. So we are working with the technical consultant, which is possible to do metro. And at the same time, we are also examining very seriously to do a BRT or a dedicated bus lanes for this first 5 years of this MTHL project.
A mega project that will transform the development of not only Mumbai but also Navi Mumbai is taking shape. With camera person Praveen G. Rohit, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.